Sorry, my screen froze, but now I'm back. So I left off with explanatory depth and talking about how the police raid leads to more things that need to be explained. Same for the friends example. Like Lisa, like why would your friends play that sort of prank, especially when, let's say, they're not that sort of person or people? That's explanatory depth. Let's move on to simplicity. Okay, and that says this: it doesn't claim more than is needed to explain the observations. Okay. So there's a hypothesis that your house was burgled, and then there's a hypothesis that 4 people burgled your house, or a man with a mustache and blonde hair burgled your house. Okay. Those hypotheses aren't as simple, even though they do have explanatory power. They still explain the event. It's saying too much. And so your hypothesis has more, it's better as an explanation if it's simpler. You want your explanation to be as simple as possible while still actually explaining the observations. Okay, fourth is conservative. We want our explanations to be conservative. And what's that mean? It doesn't conflict with other things we know. So take the meteor hypothesis. I mean, here's one thing we know. Meteors don't only hit rocks and only vaporize valuables. So that hypothesis is not a very conservative one. So yeah, there's our 4 explanatory virtues. These are different, where explanatory depth actually leads to things that need more explaining, like has more questions. For conservativeness, there's an actual conflict with other things we know. Okay, with that, we'll talk about these more in the Zoom session, so see you then.